What is the function of the iris in the human eye? तो आंसर होगा आइरिस का होगा कंट्रोल द साइज ऑफ पीपल. मायोपिया, करेक्ट देयर विजन यूजिंग. मायोपिया के लिए होगा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, सॉरी कॉन्केव लेंस. व्हाट इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट? एम्पियर. What which instrument is always connected in series to measure current in electric circuit? Ammeter. According to the law of reflection, the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. What is the nearer point of the eye for a young adult? 25 semi. Which of the following describe the magnetic field line around a bar magnet? मतलब solenoid. They are closed curve. If a current of 0.5 ampere flow through a circuit for 10 minutes, total charge. So Q equal to IT, T seconds में लेना होगा. तो आंसर आएगा 600 सेकेंड इंटू 0.5 equal to 300. What phenomenon caused the twinkling of star? Atmospheric refraction. The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. Pole. What is the common name of the chemical compound calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2, bleaching powder? If a current of 2 ampere flows through a lamp for 30 seconds, how much electric charge passes through the circuit? मतलब फिर से Q निकालना पड़ेगा. Q equal to IT. T 30 सेकंड है तो 30 into 2 60 कूलम. Battle of Kanwa, Ranasanga. What is the SI unit of universal gravitational constant? Option D. Lemon juice. Acid present in lemon juice, citric acid. The distance of principal focus from the pole of a spherical mirror is focal length. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere close to the surface? Troposphere, पहला surface, पहला layer जो होता है. What is the full form of sonar? Sound navigation and ranging. Which vitamin is essential for coagulation of blood? मतलब clotting, vitamin K. Which metal react with an acid? Which gas is usually evolved? Metal means hydrogen. Drawn a current of 0.25 ampere for 20 minutes. Q फिर से Q निकालना पड़ेगा. Q equal to IT 300 होगा. Which of the following mirror is commonly used as a rear view mirror? Rear view मतलब convex mirror. Relation between F and R. Radius of curvature equal to 2 into F. Which component of the human eye is responsible for adjusting the focal length of eye? अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Ciliary muscle. What happened to the resistance of a conductor if the length is double and its cross section area is half? तो इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको फॉर्मूला यूज करना होगा R इक्वल टू रो इंटू एल बाई ए. एल हो गया डबल मतलब L2 हो गया एंड ए हाफ, तो मिला के हो जाएगा 4 times. Which gas is used to fill electric bulb to prolong the life of a filament? Nitrogen and argon. The property of a conductor to resist the flow of charge through it called मतलब रेजिस्ट करता है resistance. Which of the following is an example of allow use an electric heating device? Nichrome. Which rule is used to find the direction of the magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor? Right hand rule. In a domestic electric circuit, what is the color of insulation? Live wire. डोमेस्टिक के लिए लाइव वायर का रेड होता है, इंटरनेशनल के लिए ब्राउन. The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current is the same at all points. Which safety device is used to protect domestic electric appliances from accidental high current flow or short circuit? Fuse. The splitting of white light into components color which when passing through a glass prism dispersion. Which color of white light bends the least? मतलब कौन सा लाइट का कलर सबसे कम बेंड होता है? रेड कलर. और ज़्यादा होगा वायलेट. What is the reason for the advanced sunrise and delay sunset? Atmospheric refraction. कार्ड में कौन सा एसिड रहता है? दही में लैक्टिक एसिड. न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन का pH होता है 7. Which gas is evolved when an acid reacts with a metal carbonate? Carbonate मतलब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Powerhouse of cell, mitochondria. Human brain control involuntary action like blood pressure, salivation, vomiting. Medulla. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Lord Mountbatten. साइंस से आ गया 2 क्वेश्चन. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? 1942. Which of the article in India Constitution known as heart and soul of the Constitution according to B.R. Ambedkar? 32. The Tropic of Cancer होगा. कहाँ से पास नहीं हुआ है? तो वेस्ट बंगाल, राजस्थान तीनों से ही, गुजरात 3 राज्य से ही ट्रॉपिकल कैंसर पास हुआ है, तो उड़ीसा होगा. Which planet in our solar system is known as the morning star? Venus. What is the power of lens? Unit of power of lens, diopter. Which of the following is used in treatment of indigestion? Antacid. The image formed by a plane mirror, virtual and erect. Which of the following element is non-metal? Good conductor of electricity, graphite. What is the chemical name of slaked lime? अच्छा क्वेश्चन. Calcium hydroxide, option D. Which of the following mirror always form a virtual erect and diamond is image? Convex. -1. Magnification produced by a mirror is -1. तो होगा इमेज इज सेम साइज तो होगा, ये कॉन्फर्म है. उसके साथ इमेज इज रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड, ऑप्शन डी. Which of the following material has the highest electrical resistivity at room? आयरन, सिल्वर, कॉपर नहीं होगा, ग्लास होगा. What is the SI unit of resistivity? Ohm meter. In a series circuit contains several resistors. What remain the same through each resistor? सीरीज में है इसलिए इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो होगा वो सब में सेम होगा. Which of the following is the universal solvent? Easy question है, water. The Dandi march led by Mahatma Gandhi was primary protest against which tax? Dandi salt के लिए था. Which layer of the atmosphere contain the ozone layer that protect us from UV ray? Stratosphere. एटमॉस्फेयर का मेज़र करने का इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्या है? बैरोमीटर। द बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट व्हेन इट पास फ्रॉम वन ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडिया टू अनदर इज बेंड जब होता है उसको रिफ्रैक्शन बोलते हैं। यूनिट ऑफ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। डायप्टर नहीं होगा, डिग्री भी नहीं होगा, ऑप्शन ए नो यूनिट। विच लेंस इज यूज टू करेक्ट हाइपरमेट्रोपिया? मायोपिया के लिए था कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, मतलब हाइपर मायोपिया के लिए होगा कॉनकेव लेंस, सॉरी कॉन्वेक्स लेंस होगा, गलत होगा, ठीक है कॉन्वेक्स लेंस होगा। द एबिलिटी ऑफ द आई लेंस टू एडजस्ट इट्स फोकल लेंथ इज कॉल्ड एकोमोडेशन, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। Which part of the eye act as a light sensitive screen? Retina. What is the scattering of light by colloidal particle called? Scattering of light, Tyndall effect. The sky appear blue because of which phenomena? Scattering of light. आई वी एन आर का ओम्स लॉ का जो रिलेशन है ऑप्शन डी V इक्वल टू आई आर, सबको पता है। द हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, जूल्स लॉ ऑफ हीटिंग। व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ए गैल्वेनोमीटर इन ए सर्किट? टू डिटेक्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ करंट, ऑप्शन डी होगा। Which of the following is not a fundamental property of magnetic field? Not a fundamental property of a magnetic field. They emerge from north pole and merge at south, सही है। They can intersect, ये wrong है, ऑप्शन बी नहीं हो सकता। तो आज का 70 क्वेश्चन